this example, we're asked to simplify this algebraic expression. The way we'll do so is by combining like terms, but we can't immediately combine like terms because of these parentheses. So before we can get to the stage where we can combine like terms, what we'll do is want to get rid of these parentheses. And the way we'll get rid of those parentheses is by using the distributive property. Specifically, we're going to distribute this 2 out in front into the parentheses. So when I say distribute, I mean multiply 2 times 3x, which is 6x, and then multiply 2 times positive 1, which gives you this 2. And then don't forget we still have this 7x out at the end. However, we don't want to distribute this 2 to the 7x because the 7x is not in the parentheses. So step 1 is distribute the 2. Step 2, you might be able to just combine like terms at this point, but since this is early on and we're really focusing on justifying all of our steps, what I would say is we can use the commutative property. What the commutative property does, specifically the commutative property of addition, says that instead of 2 plus 7x, we can write that as 7x plus 2x. Or sorry, instead of 2 plus 7x, we can rewrite that as 7x plus 2. We can change the order of the things we're adding up. And the reason you might want to do that is now it's more clear that we can add up the 6x and the 7x. I understand that you could probably do that up in this step, but I'm going to wait till down here because I want to be able to justify why I'm doing that. And really the reason why I'm able to do that is 6x plus 7x is 6 plus 7x if I apply the distributive property. But I'm kind of applying it backwards. The reason I say backwards is typically when you see the distributive property, you think about this x distributing into the parentheses, kind of like we did up here with this 2. This is going backwards. It's changing it from this form to this form. But now what we have is 6 plus 7 is 13. So our final answer is 13x plus 2. In other words, this algebraic expression up here simplifies to 13x plus 2.